you'll need a bottle spray and gin. So gin is a form of alcohol, and as far as I know, it is only available here in the Philippines, so you can use vodka instead. So I'm just adding up 1 tablespoon of gin or vodka. As a substitute, you can also use lemon essence or clear vanilla essence. So for the food color, I will be using this gel food color in Christmas red. So I am not yet sure if you can use the powder food color or the liquid food color for this technique. So I'm planning to make a separate video about that. So I will be using 1/8 to 1/4 tablespoon of gel food color. So for this one, it totally depends on you. You can add more food color or you can use less food color. And by the way, when doing this technique, make sure you are wearing disposable gloves. Once done, just put the lid back on, then shake it well for the food color and the gin to mix. This part is totally optional, so I just added parchment paper on my cake board since it is my first time to use this DIY spray technique. Then all you have to do is to spray the mixture into the cake, so make sure there is enough distance between the cake and your spray. And also make sure to coat the whole cake first before double coating. So if you need a darker color, then you can double coat or triple coat. So it totally depends on you. Also, it is advisable that your cake is at room temperature before and after doing this technique. Also, this DIY spray technique is safe because the alcohol evaporates, and also it doesn't leave any aftertaste. So after spraying, just leave your cake at room temperature to dry. Then once dried, you can now add the other decorations for your cake such as fondants and other icing.